approaching, yeah, Hilton Universal City. And I have a digital key. Checked into the Hilton Universal. We're gonna go to Universal Studios tomorrow. We got the room with 2 queen beds. Oh, welcome Tara, that's nice. A picture of the Hollywood sign. An office, chair, table, and a view of Universal Studios. We'll get a better view tomorrow, but the Harry Potter castle.
Well, don't ask for a code.
It's in the room.
Like, legitimately does not say put in the code.
Here's a nice bathroom in the Hilton Hotel. Ooh, very nice shower. I like how they folded the tissue, almost like a flower. Nice touch. Here in the Hilton Universal, I've never seen this before, but there's a CVS vending machine. Look at that, if you need some essentials. We were laughing because they even have animal crackers, and I had gotten the kids animal crackers on the way up, among other things. But anyways, that's really neat if you've forgotten something that you need. I've never seen such a big one like this, and they also have an iPhone store. Tap to shop. Yeah, if you forget your headphones or need new headphones or chargers, that is so smart, because I bet you there's tons of people that forget their charger or want new headphones or whatnot. Good idea. It's cool how you see the reflection of the cars on the building because the way they sloped the angle of the glass windows.
Nein!